everyone. I am Anjali of Masterminds studying Junior Inter pursuing CA Foundation. Today, I am going to introduce you to our Satya Bhavan study atmosphere, the day school campus of Mastermind for both Senior Inter and Junior Inter girls and boys. Let's take a look around, shall we? We have the availability of security cameras for surveillance and always the availability of security mic. This is the cabin of our campus in charge sir who monitors all the activities of the students through cameras. He also gives counseling to students regarding any matter at any time. We also have the availability of common announcement in this cabin. This is the ground floor of Satya Bhavan campus. We have a Disha complaint box for any punishable issue caused to women. There is a notice board to help us have information regarding various skills. We have a time sheet for a faculty of non-teaching and teaching staff. We have a notice board to help us know the major achievements of Masterminds. We have multiple fire extinguishers in case of a fire emergency. We have an ample space of parking for a faculty as well as the students. There is a two-way exit in case of any emergency. We have a canteen for refreshments during our book. In case of any power outage, we have the facility of the generator.
Lift facility is also available.
This is academic in charge. Ma'am solves all our problems related to academics. This is the way to classrooms in the first floor. Welcome to the first floor, which is strictly for MEC Pro classes, both for juniors and seniors. For every floor, we have got floor in charge who is always available to assist us for our general queries, a notice board for sticking up information and notice if any, and also CCTVs for surveillance option. Now let us move on to the classes. Moving on to the Junior Pro classrooms, each class is facilitated with proper sound system and projection for smooth functioning of the classes. Pro classes are special co-ed batches which includes fun activities alongside of studies like debates, seminars, excursions, industrial visits, which enhances their team spirit and collaboration skills. This classroom is for the Senior Pro batch, which includes all the common points like projector, ACs, exhaust fans, and proper sound system. Safety being a top priority, Masterminds have ensured a few safety fire measures, which includes the fire alarm button, fire extinguishers on each floor, and also a second staircase behind the campus, which is connected to all the floors. Welcome to second floor. This floor is particularly meant for girls. The maintenance of this floor is good and super clean. There is a class in charge for every floor who monitors the class for smooth functioning. There is a notice board in every floor, which is where they'll pin knowledgeable information. There is a CC camera in every floor, which meant for security and observation of the floor. Let us move to classes. This is Senior Inter Girls classroom. There is a girls' washroom in second floor. There is a drinking water facility.
I'm Dominic Leonard. I'll be showing you the third floor of our college. So in case students need any assistance, the floor in charge is always available to help. This is our notice board where the important information is always posted. And as per security, we have CCTV cameras to ensure safe learnings. And starting with the corridors, you can see that it is quite spacious and clean. We have water hose and a fire extinguisher in times of emergencies to ensure that we are always prepared for dangers. This is Senior Inter Boys classroom. Experienced faculties are always there for us to help, and the classrooms are monitored by CCTV cameras to ensure safe learning system. Up next is our washrooms. Cleanliness is a top priority of our college. So the cleaning staff ensures that washrooms are washed and sanitized regularly.
Welcome to the fourth floor of our campus. This is the last and final floor in our campus. As we have already discussed, we have a floor in charge for every classroom, every floor, and this including this floor. We also have a notice board which is regularly pinned with information, and we have CCTV surveillance which ensures proper surveillance 24/7 in the corridors. We also have fire safety measures and fire extinguishers for safety of the students. We have 2 huge classrooms in this floor, which can nearly accommodate 100 students in each class. We have windows in our classroom which ensure proper ventilation and also act as a natural air conditioner. When the climate starts getting hotter, we also have air conditioners also. We have a perfect sound system which ensures that every student is able to hear and understand the lesson very clearly and efficiently. We also have digital screens which ensure the efficiency of education for the students. We have CCTV surveillance cameras which ensure proper surveillance 24/7 to all the students in the classroom. This way, Masterminds has left no stone unturned in making the classroom a student-friendly classroom which ensures perfect education for every student, ensuring a bright future.
RO system is available for drinking water purpose.
This is the 2-tiered day scholar campus, Satya Bhavan.